This guide will help you enhance the graphics settings on your PlayStation 5 for a better gaming experience. Follow these simple steps to optimize your console's performance. Step 1. Access Settings. Navigate to the home screen of your PS5 and select the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Step 2. Select Screen and Video. In the settings menu, scroll down and choose Screen and Video. This section allows you to adjust various display settings for optimal graphics. Step 3. Adjust Resolution. Under the Video Output section, select Resolution and ensure it is set to 4K if your TV supports it. This will provide the highest quality visuals during gameplay. Step 4. Enable Performance Mode. Go to Game Presets in the Settings menu and select Performance Mode if available. This mode prioritizes frame rates and can enhance the overall gaming experience. Step 5. Update System Software. Regularly check for system updates by going to System Software in the Settings menu. Keeping your PS5 updated ensures you have the latest features and performance improvements. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the graphics settings on your PlayStation 5, leading to a more immersive gaming experience. Enjoy your improved visuals.